We're here at the Aloft here in downtown Dallas. These are the elevators here. We gotta wait here. Yada yada yada. Talk over the music, blah blah blah. Finally, here's one. Ooh, nice. I did. Alright. Ooh, fancy piano. B. Nine.
Floor 9.
Very nice. 1. Big Steve and resistant.
Floor 1.
Come on out here.
Thank you.
Sarah!
Got it.
You need some help going somewhere?
Thank you. I got it. Yep, she's coming.
Excuse me.
What's floor?
There we go. No problem. Here's our car. Floor B. Floor 1. Going up?
Yes. Are
What
you
floor?
going up?
Yep.
We're going to 5.
Alrighty.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
But yeah, like I don't know. I mean, your mom asked me. She said, "Do you think that we'll stay together in the apartment?" And my comment is the same, which is that There's the.
Who knows? It's like the same.
I don't live in.
Exactly.
She was like, okay. I'm like,
We'll meet you up there. Go to one of your guys' rooms and we'll meet you up there.
Going up?
Yep, or no, we're going down to 1, but we'll wait.
Oh yeah, let's get to instructions.
So should I say that we should say you got me? You found me?
Yeah.
Because you answered your phone.
Yeah, I'll just be like, just say I met you. Because we came down together. Just be like,
Yeah.
you saw me on the floor and then you
Why?
saw me on the floor and then you came out. I'm gonna laugh. You have to talk.
Okay, I will. I'll be fine.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna text them all to go to Kaylee or Maya's room.
Floor 1.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
No problem. There we go, that's easy. There goes the elevator. I guess that is gonna be it for me.